ऑनलाइन वेब सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर लर्निंग कॉमन एरर्स इन वर्डप्रेस पार्ट 3. Today I'll explain 4 types of errors. First one is your sidebar appears below the main content. Below the main content. Second error is you are unable to upload your image. Third one, you are unable to access the admin panel. Fourth one, WordPress is stuck in maintenance mode. Start one. First, I can give one example. I have set up my WordPress in my local system. You can see my sidebar is display below the content. Appears below the content. Okay, you can see here. Why it is happening? I have you can see here there is no completed div. Sometimes issue in the CSS, so I can close div here and check. Issue is fixed. My sidebar is appears below beside the main content. It's easy error. Second types of error, div missing, able to upload image. Right now I can try to upload one image. Easily uploaded. You can see here the file permission right now. Sometimes issue file permission. If there is no folder or file permission, just change the file permission issue in the server. If file permission is not proper, then these errors are displayed. Third one, unable to access admin panel. Right now I am able to access the admin panel. Log out, but I can forgot my password. Generally happens when you forgot your password. Generally happens when you are forgot your password. You forgot password, you are unable to access. Stuck maintenance mode. The fourth last one error, Usually the update process is so quick that you don't even notice the change. However, if the update had the cancel before it was complete, you might find that your site is stuck in maintenance mode. Identify. Usually, update process is so quick that you don't even notice the change. However, if the update had to cancel before it was complete, you might find that your site is stuck in maintenance mode. Indefinitely. We can remove the maintenance file in the server. Thank you for watching my online web series channel. I will upload next video in the next week. Please share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.